Happy holidays, creators, and welcome back to Creating with Miss Kaye. Today, I'm going to give you a tour of my home office as well as step by step of how I decorated my gold tinsel tree. This tree is for my Crystal Kindness Foundation, which is in honor of my daughter. Stay tuned and on to the intro. I purchased this gold tinsel tree from Amazon last season. This pencil tree fits really nice in this small area. I then added purple deco mesh throughout the tree and black ornaments that I added a K for crystal. I already had the ornaments, but I did order these bling gold K's from everyone's favorite Favor Mart. They were 12 in the pack. We can consider this as a DIY. So this is how the tree is slowly coming together. I know you see my fall decor still up on the bookshelf, but I will be taking it down and adding my Christmas decor to the bookshelves. I added a more simple bow to the top of the tree and added a very small topper. Because my office is not large, I didn't want anything to just overpower the room. And then I used the same ribbon from the bow to crisscross throughout the trees. I have ornaments that I have had probably over 10 years of these little high heel shoes and gift boxes. The gift boxes were originally lavender and silver. I went in with gold glitter to change them. So it doesn't matter what you have. If you want to change it up and don't want to spend a lot of money, just do it yourself. I love the colors on this tree. They look so bold. They're not traditional, but they look great to me. I added a gold sequin tree skirt purchased from Amazon. It's only 24 inches, but for a tree that's not so large, you don't need a large tree skirt. My bookshelf is now decorated. Do y'all remember this Let It Snow DIY? The link will be in my description box so you can go back and look. There is a Christmas tree that's sitting in a bird cage. It's a DIY, but I don't have a video for it. That candle right there, another DIY. So let's move back and take a look at this area of my office. If you have been forced to work from home and you've set up a home office, have you decorated your office for the Christmas season? I don't work from home, but because of our foundation, Crystal's Kindness, I still have business that I have to conduct there in my office, as well as I do a lot of crafting in my office from time to time. I have decorated every room in my home for the Christmas season. Well, my husband's office is the only room that has not yet been decorated. He's been so kind to let me store some of my overflow from my projects in his office, so there really isn't any room to decorate. So we're going to have to do something really special for his office, maybe around his birthday, just so he'll know how much he was appreciated with working with me with all of my projects. Here's a close-up of all the detail that's on the tree with the shoe and the ornaments, the ribbon, and the mesh. Purple was Crystal's favorite color, so when we decided to do the foundation, we wanted to use her colors. Here is another area of my office. I don't have what you call a whole lot of decorations on this bookshelf, but I did add a few. There's a DIY peace sign from the Dollar Tree. All I did was added purple and gold glitter. In this picture frame, I bought two wooden Christmas trees from the craft section at Dollar Tree. I glittered them and just placed them inside of this gold picture frame to give that area of the room a little more of the purples and the golds. I added a few Christmas decorations to my mirrored credenza. Up top, I DIY'd a large ornament and put the letters KK and added a few gold picks from the Dollar Tree into my vase that had greenery. You don't have to use a lot of Christmas decor, but if you just add a few touches, it will just bring Christmas all together in your room. Moving on to my Thrift Find Curio cabinet. In this cabinet, I have this gold reindeer. From my rose gold and black video, the reindeer was rose gold, but for this video, it's now gold. I mentioned that I would probably paint it. It was originally silver, but I like the gold. I might go back to the silver, it depends. I DIY'd one of the Merry signs from the Dollar Tree. I actually did a ombre effect, and I love how it turned out. So, as I told you once before, I bought so many of these signs. I'll have them for next season. I don't plan on doing any more DIYs for the Christmas season, but the dark purple, the light purple, and then the gold looks so cute to me. On the bottom shelf, I added these wooden nutcrackers purchased from Joann Fabric for 70% off. They were plain wood, but I spray painted them gold and placed them on the sides of a purple and gold ornament. I love how the Curio cabinet turned out. No, I did not add a lot of decor. This plate here is a Thrift find. It had a lot of colors on it, but I spray painted it gold too, just to fit in with everything else. I think maybe I paid $1 for it. Oh, and there's the Eiffel Tower to give another hint of black. And the jar in the corner is from a DIY, but I added purple and gold glitter to it just to fit in with this decor. That's what I mean. You can change your stuff to match the way you want it to look. Here is an overall picture of the back of my office. My gold vase has a gold floral that I did borrow from the dining room just for this video. I have two of these vases, so I probably could keep the taller one in the dining room and let this one come in my office, because this is the only room, well, besides my bedroom, that I use a lot of gold. So what do you guys think of my home office Christmas decor, as well as my crystal kindness tree? This is my desk. I only put minimal decorations because I do really work here at this desk, but I did want to give it a Christmas feel, so I added just pieces of the Christmas village and trees and my gold reindeer. My office used to be my son's bedroom, but once he got married and moved out, I gave him his bedroom furniture, and we instantly turned this room into a office. If you give them their furniture and you change the room into something else, you are slimming the odds of them coming back home. Yes, we are empty nesters and we are loving it. The one thing that I really wish I had in my office, and maybe if my children and my husband watch this video, they will know that I want a smart TV to go on the wall right in front of my desk. So while I'm crafting, I can watch YouTube, play my music, and have some me time. Now that we're at the end of the video, I would just like to tell everyone thank you and happy holidays. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Be blessed.